Hello folks and welcome to a brand new video of Mr. Pi. Can you find the area of this shaded region? Pause the video and try for yourself in 3, 2, 1. We have a right angle triangle A, B, C, which has a quarter circle in it, and the diameter BD is the line joining the right angle to the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. So to solve this question, first of all, let's write the Pythagoras theorem here. So we know the Pythagoras theorem is the square of the perpendicular, it is 8 plus 8x whole square plus square of base r plus 3x whole square is equal to 16x plus 6 whole square. Yes, so we have r square plus 8 to the 16 rx 16 rx plus 64x square plus r square. I think I'm small. No, we're right. R square plus here 6 rx plus 9x square is equal to 16 to 56 x square plus 32 6. 16 6 16 6. Let's use calculator for this equation because it's quite difficult. Okay, so I'm opening the calculator. So we have 16 times 6 into 2, 192 was 192, sorry, 256 x square plus 192 x plus 36. Okay, so I think we have a mistake here. Let's check for a while. Okay, so I checked once again, and after using this method we can find the answer, but it will be quite long. So let's use an alternate Pythagoras theorem. Let's apply it in BDC. Okay, triangle BDC. So after applying Pythagoras theorem here, we get r plus 3x whole square is equal to r square plus 36. So r square plus 6rx plus 9x square equals to r square plus 36. So we can cancel out r square, yes, r square, and we have 9x square, which is 9x square, that was 36. This isn't also working, so let's try with triangle BDA. Okay, so triangle BDA, we have r plus 8x whole square, that is r square plus 8 to the 16 rx plus 64 x square is equal to 256 x square plus r square. So we can cancel out r square. We have 16 rx minus, so 256 divided by 16, sorry, 256 minus 16, 256 minus 64, we have minus 192 x square equals to 0, or we can take x common and send to the other side and it will be negative, and again we will take 190 divided by 16, so we have 12. So r minus 12x is equal to 0, so we have r is equal to 12x. So by using heat and trial method, we have excluded this triangle, and finally using this triangle we have found a relation between r and x. Okay, so now let's assume this angle right here to be theta. So this angle right here is equal to 90 minus theta, this 90, so this angle will also be theta. So we can see that these two triangles BDC is similar to triangle BAD because we have theta here, 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta, theta, 90 90, and okay, so these triangles are similar. So now after these triangles are similar, we can use the corresponding ratios, that is for here the theta, that is BD, for this theta we have DC is equal to, for this 90 we have AB, for this 90 we have BC. Okay, so BD is equal to uh, BD is equal to R, DC is equal to 6, AB is equal to 8x plus R, and finally BC is equal to R plus 3x. Okay, so we can get R is equal to 12x, so 12x upon 6 is equal to 8x plus R, so R equal to 12x, so 8x will be equal to 20x, and again 12 3 15, so 15x. So we can cancel xx, and we have 6 to the 12, 2 tens are 20, 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10. So we have x to have a value of 2 by 3. So if x has a value of 2 by 3, then r will have a value of 12 into 2 by 3, 3 for the 12, for the 8. So we have r to be 8 units. Okay, so now to find the area of the shaded region, we will just calculate the area of this triangle and subtract the area of this semicircle, sorry, quarter circle. Okay, so area of this triangle equal to 1 by 2 base, that is r plus 3x. So the base will be equal to r plus 3x, that is r is equal to 8 units, and 3x plus 3 times x is equals to 2 by 3. So 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 1 by 2 base into height, so height equals to 8x plus r. Okay, and the value of x is equal to 2 by 3 and r is equal to 8. R equals to 8 and 2 by 3. Okay, so we have 8 to the 24, sorry, 8 to 16, 16 plus 8 to 24 by 3 is equal to 24 16, 2 3 4 40, 40 upon 3. So we have into 40 by 3 minus, so this is the area of the triangle minus area of this same square, that is 1 by 4 pi into r square, that is 8 square equals to 64. Okay, so now we have 4, we have 3 6 here. So to find the LCM of 6 and 4, we can use we can multiply it by 3, 3 6 4, 3 12, 4 3 12. Okay, 6 and 4, we'll find the LCM of 6 and 4, and we'll have 2 3 is 6, 2 to the 4, 3 6 to 12. Okay, 12 is the LCM, so we can multiply it by 2. So 40 40 40 times are 400, 14 to 800, 800 by 12 minus 4 to 12, 64 times 3, 64 times 3 is equal to 192. So 192 pi, so 180 to 800 by 12 equals to, so this the required answer is 800 minus 192 into 22 divided by into 22 divided by 7 divided by 12. Okay, so the required answer is 16.38. Okay, so 16.38 square unit is the required area of the shaded region. Thank you.